Hi there. Is Worldcoin in Kenya a scam? Let's talk about all that. Right now, I'm sitting in part of the tropical savannah. As you can see, guys, some beautiful shrubs behind me, some houses and so forth. I'm deep in Kajiado County. Guys, is the Worldcoin craze in Kenya a scam? And I'm asking this question because we've all seen over the past 1 week the craziness or the madness which has been happening in Kenya, whereby in the major cities, more so in Nairobi, those big shopping malls out there, talk about, for example, Sarit Center in Westlands, Masai Mall in Rongata Rongai, and other places, there are being lines and lines of youths waiting from as early as 7 a.m. for them to be part of this Worldcoin thing. And actually, what really got me thinking and making this video is this money really free? If you have seen that, do you think the Worldcoin craze in Kenya is a big scam? The big question is, all these people are registering. What are they really getting? And even so, what are they really giving in exchange? Because we all know nothing is for free out here. The question is everything okay or kitawaramba? Comment down below. Do you think Worldcoin in Kenya is a scam or it is a real thing? I want to discuss with you about what Worldcoin is in the first place and even share my thoughts around it. Of course, I'm not here to endorse it or to tell you it's a scam. You be the judge. And of course, also, in case you want to invest, like any investment out there, be the one to do your own research. Be the one to know the kind of risk you want to jump into before you even think about putting money down on any investment out there, whether a cryptocurrency or not. Having said that, you are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe for you to be catching up on such awesome videos each and every day. Having said that, the starting point is for you to know and appreciate what the heck Worldcoin is. Guys, Worldcoin is a new cryptocurrency project, which actually is a very big shift from the traditional cryptocurrency models out there. And I'm saying so because most of the cryptocurrencies out there, we're talking about them being mined, getting to the market, some value attached to it in form of energy, you name it, maybe some tech behind it. Most of the times, the underlying protocol is something which is called proof of stake or proof of work. But now, this particular cryptocurrency called Worldcoin, the big shift there is that it is anchored on proof of personhood. In essence, out there, you're being asked a question: are you a unique human being? If you are a unique human being, even so, how can you be differentiated, for example, from different AI solutions out there? For example, robots, you name it. In other words, this particular cryptocurrency is aimed at assisting, ensure there is a way of differentiating human beings from AI solutions out there. And guys, that is what makes it unique. Okay? Having said that, we have all seen a huge buzz, and more so in social media platforms in Kenya. People have been talking about even offering to buy this particular cryptocurrency. For example, someone offering to buy it, for example, at 200 shillings, other person buying it at maybe 250 shillings, and so forth. Of course, all these is for speculative reasons. But the narrative being put out there is that some youths think this is a life-changing opportunity. This is something which is about to change their lives for good. Where I have a problem with that is that, having already gone through the white paper, I think Worldcoin is a cryptocurrency with potential. But I think the way it's being vouched out there, most of the youth, in that they are going out there, lining, eagerly waiting for it, the one of registration, trading their image for that uniqueness and so forth. Guys, I think the approach is wrong, because people need to share that actually this, yes, it could be an investing opportunity for some people, not for everyone, but also they need to trade with caution, because, guys, this isn't a thing which is going to continue repeating. And I'm saying so because there is no way, for example, you can register twice. Once your image has been captured, because this thing used biometric, it captures you were eyeballs. Once that particular uniqueness has been created, there's no way you can create another uniqueness. And of course, when we're thinking about ethics and even so, in the US, for example, this cryptocurrency hasn't been accepted because if you think about uniqueness and also issues around data protection, how exactly is your information going to be used, okay? And that's why even, for example, in some countries like the US, issues around having a digital Worldcoin hasn't been accepted there because the digital currency, how is your uniqueness going to be protected? In other words, yes, this particular big globe called Orbis is going to capture your image. Fair enough, but even beyond that, how exactly are you going to be guaranteed, like, for example, your image is going to be secure? Okay? And this is some of the questions which a good number of developed countries out there, like, for example, the US, the UK, have questions on. Unfortunately for Kenya, we don't have such questions, and even so, a good number of Kenyans have actually registered to Worldcoin. They have the application, they have verified their iris or even their eyeballs, and so forth. But the three key questions I have specifically for this is that, first of all, how exactly is your uniqueness going to be used? And even so, are you going to give permission, for example, each and every time your uniqueness is going to be used? Like, for example, I'm thinking about it. This particular uniqueness could be used even for science and technology out there, research and so forth. Are you going to be asked for permission each and every time? I doubt if permission is going to be asked, okay? And then secondly, how is your uniqueness going to be transferred between parties? They always say there is a catch to any exchange of value. No one out there is going to be giving you money or what they call the world tokens out there, which have some monetary benefits to it without having a catch. Okay? To give you an example, if they want to transfer your image to some other company out there, will they ask you for permission? Chances are they won't ask you for permission. And then the third concern I have is that this kind of approach to investing or cryptocurrency actually, I think, breeds laziness. What do I mean? Last time I checked, a person has to buy a cryptocurrency for them to be able to wait for it to increase in value over time. However, this particular cryptocurrency called Worldcoin actually purports to give you redeemable tokens at zero cost as soon as you register. In fact, in its white paper it says it's going to give you tokens for simply being human. Last time I checked, no one rewards you really for being human. All of us out here are human beings, okay? So why should someone out there be rewarding you for basically being human? With regards to if the company anchoring all this is going to use your image unethically, I don't know. With regards to if your investment is going to grow over time, I don't know. Time is going to tell. But I think people out there need to approach all these with caution because it isn't as straightforward as most people out there think. What do you all think? Comment down below. Let's continue discussing in the comment section. Cheers, guys, and I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye-bye, and you all stay safe.